morning, guys. So today we're working on the 240. I'm gonna finish up the driver's side rear flare. I already went ahead and tacked the flare back up. I just need to grind on all the welds and then add a layer of Bondo just to kind of smooth everything out, and then I can start on the driver's side. But Bradley's gonna come over today because he's gonna pick up the cherry picker. We went to an event a couple of months ago and his engine blew, so he's gonna pull his KA, but he needs a cherry picker, so he's gonna come today and grab it, and then we'll probably go over to his house sometime next week and then start pulling his engine. And then I also have to go to our screen printer because we are making new shirts and they're ready for pickup today. So I'm gonna go in a couple of hours and go pick them up, and I'll show you guys what they look like.
Go start it up. Oh wow, the door. See, everybody does that.
I didn't even hit it though.
I heard it.
That was my sandal on the side skirt.
Oh.
Bruh, my leg is cramping up, bruh. Trying to get my foot inside this, bruh.
It starts if you want to start it.
Oh no, he's just not used to going into lowered cars anymore.
No, I'm not used to going into cars parked so close to each other. You know what I'm saying? That was hard enough in itself, bruh.
Oh, this guy come my house complain.
Bruh.
Make sure it's not in gear. Huh? Yeah, right. Did you really have the e-brake up, bro?
Yeah. And I never even pressed gas. I just let go of the clutch slowly. The thing still moving.
Yeah, because this is a copper mix.
You on spider in your car.
I know somebody was like, is that a huge spider web?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Because
Look at me scared.
the spider's so strong, look, we'll lift up the seat.
Yeah, look.
Bruh, how you think the kind spiders get over here? Park so close again.
I have something in the truck. You wanna help me get it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me go open. Alright, I guess I can bring it out.
Ooh.
Okay, hold on. Put it in the garage.
Oh, I already know what that is.
That was the box I was just inside the house. So you guys just put food inside the truck.
I was about to say, bro, it's gonna be like, yeah, that box is in the house.
So we just went to go pick up these shirts from our screen printer, and I think that they turned out super good. You wanna see?
Yup.
Okay, so this is the front.
Sick.
You ready to see the back?
Yup.
Look.
Bro, those are sick.
This is
Whoa,
so cool.
That looks pretty mean, yeah.
It's nice, yeah?
Is
Yeah.
that cherry? We're nervous because
Yeah.
that's pretty sick.
And guess what? You wanna see what else we got?
What else you got?
Not a colors, boo. This one is pretty cherry. Watch this. This was the vision we had. Look at that, off-white, boo.
Ooh.
Wow. Whoa.
Tell me not. Tell me not. Tell me not.
Look at
That's cherry, yeah.
this.
Tell me not.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Tell me not. Off-white. That
This
one
one
looks
is
mean.
nice.
Okay.
That's mean.
Okay, I'm ready. Ready to take off my shirt.
What size is that?
Medium.
You don't feel me right now.
No, I wear large.
Cause you like them big.
See me medium.
Tell me not. That's sick, yeah. The off-white.
Nice. The off-white is nice.
Yeah, those came out cherry. What is that?
Extra large. You gonna try this one on?
Nah, I got to show myself first.
Yeah, you already know no fit.
Yeah, this guy. Wow, unreal. Wow, unreal, this guy.
We got all our sizes up to 2X.
Even the black shirts too?
Yeah, even the black shirts go up to 2X.
That's sick.
Doesn't it look mean?
So sick, the off-white.
Yeah.
This was the like the vision. It came to life.
Usually I like the black ones,
Yeah.
but this one I like the white ones.
Go get it into him. You can have one for your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Look at this guy. Happy birthday.
For me.
Happy birthday.
For me.
For you, cuz.
Oh, boss. I always wanted this
cuz.
since I was a little kid, bro.
Put them on. I see you.
Put them on right now.
Yeah, put them on, bro. Yeah. Wait. Okay, ready. Put them on. Put them on.
Put them up.
Oh, you get them on. Oh, cuz. Look at me, bro. Let me see the back. Hey, turn on. Let me see the back.
I'm gonna grab something.
That's the
looks
one,
good.
bro. That's the one.
Ooh.
That looks mean, boo. There you go.
Looks mean.
Gee.
All the thanks for the support, you guys. I really put a lot of work into this design. And
Yeah, no worries, boo. That's so sick. Minerdas. Oh yeah, Minerdas. Minerdas.
One that's heavy, They helped me unload them on Sunday. Put a camera on me. What? No more stuff.
Alright guys, so this is where we're at with the car right now. So I did primer the rear fender on the driver's side. I just have to go ahead with a grinder and sand the bottom of the lip down just a little bit because it's a little uneven. And then I put a little bit of glazing putty on top of this fender. I have to sand everything down. I'll probably add a guide coat just to make sure that everything is smooth. And then I'm going to start tacking up the passenger side rear fender. I kind of have it mapped out, and for some reason I feel like this one is easier, or it looks like it should be easier than the driver's side. So I'm going to just try to put everything back together and then try to air it down again and just make sure that everything has some clearance. But I think this side should be pretty good. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I feel like we got a pretty good amount of things done on the 240, so now I can just start making sure that the body is straight so that way we can start painting the car soon. Also, if you guys want to go ahead and grab the new t-shirt, head down now to the link in the description, or you can go to carshopbloom.com. This is going to be our second release of these shirts. I dropped it on Instagram, but it sold out within 2 days and I didn't get a chance to post them on YouTube yet. So this is going to be the second and final release of these shirts. So go grab them now. There's free shipping on the website. And then next week we're gonna go to, or actually in a couple of days, we're gonna go to SoCal and meet up with Alyssa, Khalil, and Street Faction. So we'll bring you guys along for that. But thank you guys so much for watching, for rocking with us. We appreciate all your guys' support, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.